Deshpande from Tagore Public School, Surajgarh. As I have discussed about the different steps in the nitrogen fixation, today I will discuss about the topic action of nitrogenase and nitrogen cycle. First of all, I told you about the nitrogenase enzyme. Nitrogenase, which is made by the protein, molybdenum and iron-like metal. So, it is a type of globulo-metallo-complex enzyme, because the protein which take part in the nitrogenose synthesis, nitrogenase presents the nitrogen fixation occur by the help of nitrogen gas present in the atmosphere. As nitrogen gas present 78% in the atmosphere, and this nitrogen present in the dinitrogen atom. As the indication of this nitrogen may given like this. Here, this is the two nitrogen atom which are attached by the triple bond to each other, and enzyme nitrogenase, which generally has the active site of the such hole in which nitrogen attach easily. Like this is the nitrogenase enzyme, and each enzyme which generally contain the active site on the surface. This nitrogen, when combined with this nitrogenase, as the case when the nitrogen combined with the nitrogenase, then a condition arises. I can show here enzyme plus substrate. When both are combined, then the formation of a complex, like this is the nitrogenase, as it has active site and nitrogen which attached with the active site, as nitrogen which has triple bond between the nitrogen atom. Here the formation of the substrate or enzyme substrate complex take place. Later on, by the combination of two hydrogen ion with the such complex, then the formation of structure now appear as given here. Nitrogen, when combined with the hydrogen, two atom, then the formation of compound take place, which is called as diimide. Diimide hard. Then again two hydrogen ion combine with the diimide form here two bond present between nitrogen and the next is hydrogen and the complex formed is generally contain nitrogen with single bond between them and each nitrogen contain two hydrogen, so NH2 single bond NH2 formation take place. Later on, if again 2H positive combine, then the formation of two molecule of ammonia take place, as these two molecule of ammonia now has the three hydrogen to each, and later on these two ammonia separate from the here ammonia 2 moles synthesized, but after this the enzyme nitrogenase, which again separate for combining with the another nitrogen molecule present in the atmosphere. This nitrogenase now free to combine in the form of another steps, and the product form in the form of ammonia as two molecule, each contain one nitrogen and three hydrogen atom. Here this is the product in the form of ammonia. In the case of nitrogen fixation by the help of nitrogenase enzyme. So nitrogenase enzyme, which generally takes the simple form of reaction, as it takes the nitrogen with the 6 hydrogen ion, 6 electron, then it synthesizes 2 molecule of ammonia. So this is the simple steps, as in the presence of enzyme nitrogenase, in the presence of enzyme nitrogenase, but the use of energy occur in the case as phosphorylation. Here ATP utilized, and which produces ADP and inorganic phosphate. In the case of nitrogen, which generally oxidation of nitrogen in the presence of nitrogenase enzyme, synthesis of ammonia take place. But sometimes if the hydrogenase enzyme also present, then production of hydrogen gas take place. As in case of hydrogenase enzyme, the total reaction as given N2 plus 8H positive plus 8E negative plus 16 ATP in the presence of enzyme nitrogenase and another enzyme called as hydrogenase, then there is the product form two molecule of ammonia and production of hydrogen gas take place. Beside this, liberation of 16 ADP and 16 PI. So the nitrogen fixation which generally require the nitrogenase enzyme in the synthesis of ammonia, but if the hydrogen produces during the nitrogen fixation, then requirement of nitrogenase as well as hydrogenase enzyme take place in the nitrogen fixation. So this is the action of nitrogenase for nitrogen fixation, as nitrogenase which act as the enzyme and nitrogen here act as the substrate in the case of such type of chemical reaction in the nitrogen fixation. First of all, this nitrogenase enzyme which has the few point where nitrogen gas attached, this point act as active site, like these points are present here in the form of active site by which nitrogen gas attached and form enzyme substrate complex, and then the two hydrogen ion when combined with the enzyme substrate complex, then formation of the diimide, and later on again two hydrogen ion, means here hydrogen ion combined, then the a type of combination of hydrogen ion means reduction. So this step is called as reducing amination, as the here formation of ammonia and the nitrogen when generally combined with hydrogen, then there are total of 6H positive, as in 3 steps 2H positive and combined with the nitrogen molecule, then diimide formation take place, again 2H positive combined with the diimide, hydrogen formation take place, again 2H positive combined, then 2 moles of ammonia synthesized. Here after synthesis of 2 mole of ammonia, nitrogenase enzyme separates and the 2 moles of ammonia as in the form of product obtained. In the brief, this reaction has shown here N2 plus 6H positive plus 6E negative equal 2NH3, means 2 moles of ammonia. Here in the presence of nitrogenase and the phosphorylation also take place. The energy which is generally utilized in the nitrogen fixations taken from the ATP, means adenosine triphosphate, which is called as energy currency of the cell. So this is the action of nitrogenase on the nitrogen and in the nitrogen fixation. After discussion about the action of nitrogenase, then nitrogen cycle has discussed here. Nitrogen cycles as the nitrogen which present generally 78% in the atmosphere, or in atmosphere generally nitrogen present 78%. This nitrogen may used by the several means, by the several method in the nitrogen fixation or in the conversion of nitrogen compound. During the rainy season mostly, sometimes lightning occur, and if the lightning occur in the rainy season, then the nitrogen fixation occur in the form of nitrate. Here the nitrate, which has shown by the symbol NO3 negative. Generally, the nitrate is shown by the symbol NO3 negative formed when the lightning take place. As the lightning occur, the nitrate synthesized, and this step is called as nitrification. This step is called as nitrification, but it occurs due to the lightning. Here it occurs due to the lightning and thundering case. Means it is a type of physical nitrogen fixation, a type of environmental affected nitrogen fixation. But sometimes this nitrate again produces nitrogen, and this phenomena is called as denitrification. This is called as a type of steps which is generally called as denitrification. Here this is explained as the denitrification. It is called denitrification. For denitrification, there are several types of bacteria present. Like one bacteria is, that is the here Pseudomonas denitrificans. Pseudomonas denitrificans bacteria, which generally responsible for conversion of nitrate in the soil to the free nitrogen in the atmosphere. Sometimes this nitrate which absorbed by the plant root, as the plant here explain a few plants like the legume plant, for example plant of garden pea. This is the root of garden pea. Root of garden pea, which generally has the root nodule in it. Root of garden pea has root nodule, and these root nodule has nitrogen fixing bacteria. This root nodule has nitrogen fixing bacteria in the root nodule, as the nitrogen fixing bacteria present. The root of the plant generally absorb nitrate, as absorption occur with water. But sometimes this nitrate reaches deeply. Here this nitrate reaches deeply in the soil, and it is lost. not used by the plant. Here, these are the root nodule which contain Rhizobium bacterium in it. This Rhizobium bacterium, which generally fix atmospheric nitrogen, this is called as biological nitrogen fixation. Biological nitrogen fixation has done by the Rhizobium bacterium. Rhizobium bacterium, which is gram-negative bacterium, and it is utilized in the biological nitrogen fixation. As the plant root which present in the soil, as the upper part which generally utilized by the animal. Here, upper part of the pea which generally has the leaflet as compoundly present, and the stem part also, and this is used by the animal as the food form. Suppose if this is used by the animal as, for example, is considered like this is the rabbit, and this rabbit, when use this as in the form of food, then the rabbit, which generally has the tendency to take the food, as it is herbivorous animal. So animal which generally take the food from the plant, and this is the green garden pea. This is the garden pea plant. So plant directly used by the rabbit, as animal which use the nitrate from the plant directly or indirectly. After the death of the plant, here death and waste of animal, if die, or the waste produces in the animal, and during this, if the death of plant, death and decay of plant, here death and decay, two different terms, as death is natural in the plant, but sometimes the leaves falls on the ground. Other part like the fruits, seeds which fall down on the soil. This is called the decay, and generally decay starts by the action of microbes. Here, in both cases, generally the steps occur, and this step is called as ammonification. This step is called as ammonification. ammonification has done by a group of bacteria which is called as ammonifying bacteria. Ammonification occurs by the ammonifying bacteria. Ammonifying bacteria generally changes the dead part of plant and animal which has protein. Protein changes into amino acid by the proteolysis process by the help of Clostridium like bacterium. Then amino acid which changes into ammonia by the Bacillus species. So Bacillus and Clostridium which involve in the ammonia synthesis, this step is called as ammonification. In the ammonification, now ammonia synthesized. Here, in the ammonification, synthesis of ammonia take place, and this ammonia also synthesized sometime by the industrial method also, as in the industry ammonia synthesized at high temperature, high pressure, means at 200 degrees Celsius and 200 atmospheric pressure. The industrial way ammonia synthesized, and synthesis of ammonia occur when the nitrogen which generally combine with the hydrogen as it produces ammonia. In the presence of iron as catalyst, this is called as Haber process of ammonia synthesis. Ammonia also synthesized as physical process like by the volcanic eruption, and the volcanic eruption is called as physical method of ammonia synthesis. And in the industry, as ammonia synthesized by the reaction of nitrogen gas with hydrogen gas, and sometimes it is called as a type of irreversible reaction. And this ammonia which is synthesized as a result of ammonification process, as ammonia synthesized nitrite in the nitrification process by the help of one bacteria, Nitrosomonas. In the presence of Nitrosomonas, a type of chemosynthetic bacteria, ammonia changes into nitrite, and nitrite later on changes into nitrate in the presence of Nitrobacter, a type of chemosynthetic bacteria. So this step is called as the nitrification step. Here, this is called as nitrification, where nitrification may occur by the help of bacterium like Nitrosomonas, which involve in the conversion of ammonia into nitrite, or by the help of Nitrobacter, which involve in the conversion of nitrite into nitrate. But this shows the nitrification, either nitrification which also occur here in the case of lightning in the atmosphere, and here also these steps are also related with the nitrification steps. And nitrification case synthesis of nitrate take place, as it occurs in two steps. In first step, it is ammonia converted into nitrite, and in the second step, nitrite converted into nitrate. And first step, which occur in the presence of Nitrosomonas bacterium, which is chemosynthetic bacterium, and second step, which occur in the presence of Nitrobacter, which is also chemosynthetic bacterium. And these steps are called as nitrification. Here, if I summarize this nitrogen cycle, this is the nitrogen cycle, as this nitrogen cycle which generally held here, the nitrogen cycle which generally take place when the atmospheric nitrogen, which is present 78%, which changes in the form of nitrate by the process of nitrification during the lightning. Lightning means during the rainy season, sometime thundering occur. But before thundering, lightning occur, and such lights when reach, then several steps occur. In the lightning process, nitrogen combined with oxygen and produces nitric oxide. Later on, nitric oxide combined with oxygen produces nitrogen dioxide. Nitrogen dioxide, when combined with the water, produces nitrous acid and nitric acid. Then nitric acid produces nitrate in the soil, and nitrous acid produces nitrite in the soil. Next step, this nitrite changes into nitrate in the presence of bacterium Nitrobacter, and this nitrate absorbed by the root of the plant, and few plants like the garden pea plant, which is called legume plant, has root nodule in their roots which contain rhizobium like gram-negative bacterium, and which take part in the biological nitrogen fixation. So, biological nitrogen fixation occur by the as legume plant, which is shown here, and this biological nitrogen fixation also synthesize nitrate. But this plant when used by the animal rabbit, and this rabbit which take the such food directly in the form of a herbivore, and sometimes this rabbit when eaten by another animal as carnivore, but both animals and plant die. So as a result of death of animals or waste produced by the animals, and death of plant and decay of plant, then the ammonifying bacteria a group of bacteria as ammonifying bacteria. Good example is Bacillus species, which take part in the ammonification, in which dead part of the plant and animals changes in the ammonia. So this ammonia formation occur by the dead part of plant and animal. This is called a ammonification process. Here in the ammonification process, generally the formation of ammonia take place, and this ammonia when synthesized in the presence of nitrosomonas, nitrite formation take place, and this nitrite synthesized nitrate in the presence of nitrobacter. But both process is called a nitrification process. Sometimes physical nitrogen fixation also take place in the industry at the high temperature, 200 degree Celsius temperature and 200 atmospheric pressure. Then this is called a physical nitrogen fixation, in which ammonia synthesis take place. So these are the all steps of nitrogen fixations, and you study very well about in the cyclic form. That is why it is called a nitrogen cycle. Please like, subscribe my channel Super Classes. Thank you.